Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried eggs over medium. First, gather your ingredients: 1 or 2 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and a good non-stick pan. Make sure your pan is clean and ready for even heating. Also, have a thin, flexible spatula handy. It will be crucial for a perfect flip later on. Now, place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully crack your eggs directly into the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know they're ready for the next step when the egg whites are completely set and opaque, but the yolk is still very runny. It's time for the flip. Gently slide your thin spatula under the egg, ensuring you get the whole thing. With a quick, confident motion, carefully flip the egg over. Cook the second side for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. This short cooking time ensures the yolk is warm and slightly runny in the center, giving you that perfect over medium consistency. Once your egg reaches that ideal over medium stage, carefully slide it onto your plate. Now comes the best part: seasoning. Add a generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Enjoy your perfectly cooked fried egg. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.